Imagine earning free flights, luxury hotel stays, and exclusive travel perks just by using the right credit card. Yes, it's possible. Stay with me as we uncover the top 5 credit cards for travel rewards in 2024 that can turn your everyday expenses into extraordinary travel experiences. Hi everyone. Welcome to Invest Vision Hub, your go-to channel for smart financial tips and strategies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're talking about how you can make your travel dreams come true with the best travel rewards credit cards of 2024. So, grab your passport and let's get started. Why travel rewards credit cards are essential. Why should you consider a travel rewards credit card? These cards allow you to earn points or miles for every dollar you spend, which you can redeem for flights, hotels, or even cashback. Many also include perks like airport lounge access, no foreign transaction fees, and even complimentary travel insurance. It's like getting paid to travel smarter. The top 5 credit cards for travel rewards in 2024. 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred R card. First on our list is the Chase Sapphire Preferred R card. It offers a massive 60,000 point sign-up bonus when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's $750 toward travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Plus, you earn 2x points on dining and travel. A $95 annual fee unlocks incredible value, making this card a favorite for frequent travelers. 2. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card earns 2x miles on every purchase. It's super simple. Spend, earn, and redeem with no blackout dates. Plus, it includes travel insurance and TSA PreCheck or global entry credits. The $95 annual fee is worth the flexibility it offers. 3. American Express R Gold Card. For food lovers and luxury seekers, the American Express R Gold Card is a top pick. You earn 4x points on dining and 3x on flights booked directly with airlines. While the $250 annual fee might seem steep, the benefits, including dining credits, more than make up for it. 4. City Premier ER Card. The City Premier R Card offers 3x points on air travel, hotels, and restaurants. With a $95 annual fee, it's a great mid-tier card for those who want flexibility in redeeming points. You can even transfer points to travel partners for added value. 5. Bank of America R Travel Rewards Credit Card. Last but not least is the Bank of America R Travel Rewards Credit Card. With no annual fee, it's perfect for budget-conscious travelers. You earn 1.5x points on all purchases, and there's a 25,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. Plus, no foreign transaction fees make it ideal for international travel. Quick tips for maximizing travel rewards. 1. Always pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. 2. Use your travel card for all eligible purchases to maximize point earning potential. 3. Redeem points through your card's travel portal or transfer them to partners for better value. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 travel rewards credit cards for 2024. With these cards, your next vacation could cost a lot less or even be free. Which card caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invest Vision Hub for more tips on maximizing your finances. Until next time, happy travels.